Hey everyone! Before we begin coding, I want to address that coding can be difficult at first, but it can also be very fun. I like to think of learning to code like learning a new language. It may be difficult as you begin, but the more that you practice the skills, the easier it will become for you. Today, we will go over 4 different coding skills together. We will start by setting up our directory, follow that up by choosing a date to graph and creating our initial 3-dimensional topographic map. Afterwards, we will graph multiple 3-dimensional topographic maps at once so that we can compare them. And then lastly, we'll use Octave to calculate the volume of sand on the beach each day when we collected data. Through this session, as we are coding together, we will break up the coding skills we will use into 3 different pieces as well. First, you'll be introduced to the coding concept we will be practicing through a video with me. Second, you'll watch a screencast that demonstrates how to use that coding concept in Octave so that you can follow along. And then lastly, you'll have a direction slide that will give you the steps to complete the skill you are observing. When you're ready, advance over to the next slide to get started with your first skill, setting up your directory. See you there soon.